Hello and welcome everyone to the post-market analysis and market view session for tomorrow by MentorBox. I hope you all have a profitable day today. So my name is Nikhil Doshi. I am a trader and mentor at MentorBox by StocksBox. Over the past 12 years, I have been trading stocks, futures and options using technical analysis. So without further ado, let's start today's video. So Nifty is closed about flatter side 0.25 down at 18,118. तो जहां खुला था वहीं बंद हुआ and Sensex is closed about 37 point plus at 60,978 and Bank Nifty is down today around 87 point down at 42,733. So this is the Nifty chart. So let's analyze the yesterday's trades first, then we'll discuss what to do tomorrow and what happened today. Okay, so yesterday I have given you 4 trades: Bank Nifty, Steel Authority, Gland Pharma and GNFC. All 4 was not executed today because market was on the zigzag. Idhar chala main udhar chala. So jane kahan main kidhar chala. So market has no direction right now. So no trade has been executed today. But if we just check the Nifty first, so there were no trade executed, all on the 15-minute chart. I have given you long on 3, that is Bank Nifty, SAIL and GNFC, okay, which I have given you long, which is not generated on the 15-minute candle. First candle green nahi bani. If you haven't seen my video, you can just search StocksBox on the YouTube to get the view for the yesterday why I have given this. So this 3 stocks were long, which is not given me 15-minute entry. So there were no entry in this. And Gland Pharma was positive side today. It has not formed a negative candle. First candle negative nahi bana. So there were no entry today. So on the whole, if you just check the trade log, trade summary, today I have written there is no trade. Since the 9th Jan, I am taking this session. I am making the video of a market view. So today there were no trade has been executed. It is also a profitable trade. No trade is a profitable trade. मैंने कुछ लॉस नहीं किया मार्केट में बिना मतलब का एंट्री एग्जिट करके लॉसेस करके there is no sense. So on the post market we haven't taken the entry. During the live session we have got many opportunities today. So there were no trade for executed today. So what happened today? Today I have identified 4 stocks. We'll discuss in today's video. So please watch this video till the end. So first let's see the Nifty chart. So this is the Nifty chart for you. So Nifty is overall, if you just check, it was breakout on the trend line. Daily chart की trend line को break किया, but it is stuck on this top. जो ये previous time का green candle का जो high बना था, on the breakout और on the trend line ये जो high बना था, वही high के आसपास से वहां से selling आ गई. So what happened today on the Nifty during the intraday? If you just check over here, okay, so 5 minute का अगर मैं chart देखता हूँ, so what happened today? Today morning SGX Nifty was showing 90 point plus, 90 to 95 point plus. So our market was also on the gap up opening, बड़ा gap up हुआ, and from that gap up it came down. 2 या 15 मिनट या 20 मिनट market sustain हुआ ऊपर की तरफ. After that it fall down again. So you can see over here, it on whole day it was falling only. The short opportunity was developed during the live session was here. Why? Because it was from a doji over here. ये वाला doji बना. Even you can say it was a evening star pattern. Evening star pattern से यहाँ पे short develop हुआ. Price was generating and again it is got rejected. तो यहाँ trend confirm हुआ and from that level it went down. At the end of the market, even long was generated. Same type. यहाँ पे reverse हुआ market and long was generated over here with the PSR confirmation. So I got my PSR confirmation over here, but the trend was not developing over here. The trend was developed here for the short. So got 2 trades today, one for the short and one was long during the end of the market. So got about 20-25 point move at the end. Same way in Bank Nifty, I got it. If you just check, we'll discuss what happened today. Before that, I'll show you the trades today. So 5 minute के chart पे, the Bank Nifty was short initiated here. इट वॉज द फॉर्म ऑफ दोजी। यहां से ये 20 मूविंग एवरेज के सपोर्ट को टच किया। ओके, इट हैज टेकन द लाइक सपोर्ट हेयर। यहाँ पे टच करके जब भी 20 मूविंग एवरेज से या कोई भी इंडिकेटर से वो रिवर्स होता है, तो ये सपोर्ट लेवल जो था 20 मूविंग एवरेज का, वो क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया ड्यूरिंग द इंट्राडे। सो शॉर्ट वाज जनरेटेड हेयर एंड आफ्टर दैट इट फॉल डाउन एंड इट वाज सस्टेनिंग दिस हाई ओवर हेयर। सेम वे निफ्टी में भी वही हाई अगर देखोगे, why I have taken that, निफ्टी में जो मेरा यहां शॉर्ट जनरेट हुआ, इफ यू जस्ट चेक, ये वाला जो हाई है वो सस्टेन कर रहा था। यू कैन जस्ट सी ओवर हियर द हाई वाज ऑफ दिस कैंडल वाज 18,194.90, हाई ऑफ दिस कैंडल इज 18,194.15। तो ये वाला जो हाई था वो सस्टेन करके इट वाज कमिंग डाउन, so this was the confirmation over here. So three trades had been generated. One is Bank Nifty, one is Nifty, and one is Nifty short, and one is Nifty long. So now this has happened today. As I discussed, Nifty में तो यहाँ पे stuck हो गया है, so we can't do anything over here. Okay, जब तक निफ्टी यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट नहीं होता है प्रॉपरली, कि प्रॉपरली यहाँ पे ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक तो कर दिया है बट पॉजिटिव कैंडल नहीं है, हायर हाई क्लोजिंग नहीं है, तो जब तक ये क्लोजिंग नहीं होगी, till that time just stay away from the nifty. Now if we check bank nifty में as I told you कि कल लॉन्ग यहाँ पे इनिशिएट होगा, which we have written over here, कि लॉन्ग इनिशिएट होगा, your target will be on the trend line. You can see over here, you can check the yesterday's video, I have written trend line is your target and minimum target should be 1:1. जो risk to reward that should be 1:1. And it was a high risk trade as well. So first candle was not on the positive. आज सीधा gap up entry हुआ and it has hit my trend line target. जो trend line का target था, which has been triggered in the morning only. You can see here trend line को touch किया and after that it went down. So short was developing in the morning only. And now what is happening over here? There is a gap on the downside on the bank nifty. और यहाँ पे negative close दिया है by touching the trend line और lower low close दिया है. So I'll look for the short opportunity on bank nifty for tomorrow. Look for the opportunity. Nifty में just stay away from it. Bank nifty में you can look for the short, but 15 मिनट की कैंडल देखना, कल गैप डाउन खुल गया और अगर ये 38.2 के नियर पहुंच जाता है तो इग्नोर दैट। जैसे आज जैसे गैप अप हुआ और ट्रेंड लाइन को टच कर दिया तो लॉन्ग इग्नोर हो गया। सेम वे अगर कल गैप डाउन खुल गया तो इग्नोर करना है, बट अगर फ्लैट खुलता है, आइदर पॉजिटिव खुलता है, देन अगर फर्स्ट कैंडल 15 मिनट की नेगेटिव बनती है, then look for the short opportunity on bank nifty tomorrow with the gap filling target, or at least 38.2% is your target at 42,556 spot. You need to see the future. जैसे ही ये spot hit होता है 556 पे, just get out from your future trade. So short call on the nifty, bank nifty tomorrow. I have written it over here. Bank nifty short, downtrend from the trend line, making lower low, short with 15-minute negative candle. I don't know market where it will open. We are in the post market. So according to the market, first 15 minute को watch करो. अगर 15-minute negative candle develop होती है, then go for the short. Why negative candle? Again, I am repeating, because there are more number of seller on that candle, then only the negative candle will form. So this is the reason behind it. So we can look for the short opportunity tomorrow on bank nifty. Tomorrow straight for the intraday short. Swing के लिए market नहीं है, just wait and watch. Before the budget, we are budget next Monday आ जाएगा. Tomorrow is the expiry day. So market थोड़ा volatile रहेगा. We can look for the intraday short. And after 1 hour or so, Nifty और Bank Nifty में जो भी intraday की opportunity बनेगी, you can react on that. So Bank Nifty is the short. Then I have found out 3 stocks for you, which is all long. All 3 stocks are long. I have found out for you. भले Bank Nifty short है, but this 3 stocks आज भी market down market में भी ये perform किए हैं. So 3 stocks I have found out for you. First is a persistent system. If we just check persistent system. So stock number 1, persistent system, which is making higher high यहाँ पे. अगर यहाँ पे मैं volume check करूंगा intraday chart पे या daily chart पे, so we'll find it over here. Let me add. Yeah, volume is already there. It's not showing. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, there is some error in this. So with the volume, it was increasing over here. Breakout हुआ है यहाँ पे yesterday. Now it is forming a doji. Doji बना है, but overall trend is still up on this. Overall target अगर देखोगे तो target for the persistent system is around 4,837. तो यहाँ पे 300 पॉइंट का रैली है, but you can take a long अगर ये वाला हाई क्रॉस करता है. So this is the new system I am explaining today. जनरली 15 मिनट की कैंडल देखकर पॉजिटिव पे बाय कर लेते हो. नाउ टू सिस्टम आई एम शोइंग यू कि यहाँ पे 15 मिनट की कैंडल ग्रीन तो होनी चाहिए, बट 15 मिनट की कैंडल या उसके बाद की कैंडल या उसके जो भी 15 मिनट की कैंडल इसके हाई के ऊपर जो यस्टरडे का हाई है, दैट इज व्हाट इज द हाई ऑफ यस्टरडे, दैट इज 4,680. So buy only if 15 minute candle is closing about 4680, then you can go for the long. So first candle 15 minute की green तो important है तो ही long बनेगा, but second confirmation के previous day का high के ऊपर close हुआ तो ही long करना है with the low stop loss. Your target for this is 4,800 plus जो next distribution zone है. So stock number 1 persistent, you can look for the long about the breakout. Then stock number 2 Mphasis, you can see here I have written it over here. Long only when 15-minute candle closing positive, first confirmation and closing above last 2 days high. Last 2 दिन का जो भी high है उसके ऊपर close होना चाहिए. Stock number 2 Mphasis. This is stock number 2. This is also long, uptrending है, बड़े volume से it is increasing over here. So your target for Mphasis is around 2156 tomorrow. ये वाले zone के अंदर आपका target है. This is the zone. इसको हम बोलते हैं सप्लाई जोन या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जोन. इस जोन के अंदर का आपका टारगेट है. सो लुक फॉर द लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी. इसमें हाई की वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इमीडिएटली विद द 15 मिनट पॉजिटिव कैंडल यू कैन गो लॉन्ग. थर्ड स्टॉक इज ग्रेविटा, विच इज गिविंग मी ऑल टाइम हाई क्लोज. ओके, दिस इज ग्रेविटा इंडिया. यू कैन सी बिगर वॉल्यूम. अगर मैं इसमें RSI ऐड करता हूं, RSI क्या बताता है कि ओवरसोल्ड है या ओवरबॉट है, बट राइट नाउ स्टिल RSI इज अराउंड 69, सो मोर अबव 70 नहीं गया है, सो इट इज नॉट ओवरबॉट येट. सो आई कैन लुक फॉर द लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑन ग्रेविटा विद द 15 मिनट कैंडल क्लोज. प्लस आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ टारगेट ऑन ग्रेविटा. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर इट मूव टिल हियर और हियर. योर टारगेट फॉर द ग्रेविटा इज 515. सो चेक रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड बिफोर एंटरिंग इन दिस ट्रेड. 515 रुपए का टारगेट है. सो अगर पहला कैंडल पॉजिटिव क्लोज होता है और रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड सपोर्ट करता है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर द लॉन्ग ऑन ग्रेविटा टुमारो विद द 15 मिनट एंट्री. So this 3 stocks you can look for the long opportunity tomorrow, and Bank Nifty you can look for the short opportunity tomorrow. So expiry day guys, watch out, market thoda volatile hoga. We have a holiday on Thursday. Okay, so expiry is there on Wednesday. Tomorrow is the expiry day. So you can look after for this opportunity of the stock and the Bank Nifty tomorrow. So that's all from my side today. So for more such ideas on stock market, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates.